If you are wondering about a tariff rebate, state or federal tax refund, inflation check, economic impact payment, or a new, fourth stimulus check in 2025, here's a status update from the IRS and how to track them without getting scammed. There have been rumors and unsupported speculation spreading on social media and some websites about a new stimulus check in varying amounts of $1,390 or $1,700 or $2,000 coming to Americans this year, according to reports, which are false. There has been no official confirmation from Congress or the Internal Revenue Service to support these claims, and any such news should be taken with caution as it could be misinformation or attempted fraud. The IRS warns has issued warnings against text scams and impersonators that may mislead you about tax refunds, credits, payments, or new stimulus check amounts by pressuring people for personal and financial information about themselves. There is an effort called the American Worker Rebate Act of 2025. It was submitted by Missouri Republican Senator Josh Hawley, and aims to send checks between $600 to $2,400 to American taxpayer families. However, it has not passed through Congress as of yet. There were 3 prior stimulus checks tied to COVID-era stimulus programs, the third and last of which had an April 15, 2025 deadline to claim. There were also several states that were sending out inflation relief checks to residents who paid higher sales taxes due to inflation, such as New York, Pennsylvania, Georgia, and Colorado. Here's what to know about eligibility and status updates for new or unclaimed stimulus checks in 2025, inflation checks, Trump tariff relief rebates, DOGE dividends, and IRS federal and state tax refunds. Is there a fourth stimulus check? How to check eligibility. While speculation about a fourth stimulus check has surfaced on social media and unverified websites, there has been no official confirmation from Congress or the IRS to support this claim, and any such news should be taken with caution as it could be misinformation or attempted fraud. The first stimulus check was for up to $1,200 for individuals and $2,400 for married couples, plus $500 per qualifying child under the age of 17. While the second stimulus check was up to $600 per individual, $1,200 for married couples and $600 per qualifying child under 17. The third stimulus check was for $1,400 per eligible individual, and married couples filing jointly received an additional $1,400 for each qualifying dependent. The opportunities to claim or file for the first stimulus payment, issued in March and April 2020, or the second stimulus check, issued by January 15, 2021, or the third stimulus check, issued between March and December 2021, have now passed. The deadline to file for the third and last stimulus check was April 15, 2025. It marked a 3-year deadline to claim any tax refunds or, in this case, the $1,400 recovery rebate credit for 2021. It is best to work directly with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, or a reputable tax professional to address missing stimulus payments or claim the relevant recovery rebate credit on your tax return, if eligible. Even if you received a tax extension, you still needed to file your 2021 tax return by the April 15, 2025 deadline to claim that third stimulus check. There are no extensions or appeals available for missed deadlines, and any unclaimed stimulus payments become the property of the U.S. Treasury. Are we getting a stimulus check in 2025? President Donald Trump floated the idea of using part of the government revenue being generated by the new tariffs and returning it to taxpayers of a certain income level in the form of a rebate check, similar to the stimulus checks sent during the pandemic.